Do you know the name of this bird in your language? They know it. You know, the name of this bird, this one right here, this one, or this one, okay? It is called ngabro kadot. Ngabro kadot. Ngabro kadot mean in English bat. In your language it is called ngabro kadot. Katung na dir me chwale ngabro kadot. Wo jela da ngab ke chuke. You know, ajen chwale no ke je. Ko baro ngab ke chuke then chayu chak chuda money. Chuda me chakani te wal ko chaji kuno jen amla da mala ngab no micheben baro de ngab ke chuke then we de be luang pin cha chole no ngabro kadot. Tangun dong de chol bon wo ngabro ke chuk duno jen ala chuke ken kotke chagamat kel ajen chwale mo chwal ke jamon wo ngabro kadot. The name of this bird is ngabro kadot, meaning bat in English. Please follow for more, okay?